Welcome guys. Today we will learn how to create a pagination in codeigniter. So let's start. So this is our pagination folder. Okay. And if we run on local pagination, run our project, so we will get this welcome message. Okay. So let's create me new database for this, or otherwise we can use this one also. Okay, let's create new one. Give name is page. Okay, create. Let's create new table. So we'll go to SQL and paste this code to over here. You can download this code uh, from description. Okay, and click on go. Okay, uh, where, yeah, here. Okay, so let me insert some data first. So I will copy this code and SQL and go. Okay, so you can see we have insert some data, almost 23 records. Okay, so let's now we create a pagination. Okay, so for that we need welcome controller. We have to create one model. Okay, and let's create page underscore m dot php. M stands for model. Okay, okay, so and for view we have default message controller, message view, so we can use that one. Okay, so for that, for this we need to use uh, add some libraries. We need to use some libraries, so we can add that in autoload file, and you can see, yeah, here. So we will gonna use uh, pagination library and table. Okay, and also we require some helpers, so let me define that as well. Okay, so we require URL helper and one more form helper. Okay, so let's save. And we need to add one more libraries, which will be database. I forgot to include that because we need database as well for this. Okay, okay, so let's set up our controller first. So we don't require this, we can remove it. Okay, and this one. Okay, so first of all we need to set up something, some config for the pagination. So then we can set using config variable which is predefined. So we need for that we need to set base URL. Okay, so base URL will be base underscore URL. Okay, dot index dot php slash welcome, which is our controller, and under index method we need to call. Okay, after that config need to set total rows. Okay, so total rows is equal to num underscore row. Okay, sorry, this is the variable. And after that we need to set how much item we require for per page. So we can set per page, let's suppose we require 10 or you can say 5. Okay, so that is also done. Then we require number config num, we require links we need to print. Okay, so that will be num row. Okay, and dollar config use page number. Okay, so that is true, and we need to initialize the pagination. So for that we set this like this pagination, initialize this config. So we initialize that also. Okay, and now we need the data to be print on that pagination. So data is equal to records that we will get from this db users. Okay, this db get user. Okay, users, and then we need to define $config per page, and one more we require, that is offset. Okay, now we need to print this data in table format. So we are using table library, as you can see in autoload file. So for that we need to set header first. So header is equal to array. Okay, so it will take id, then name, then email, then mobile, and then last one address. Okay, so we have stated the header as well. We need we define headers which require at the time of display. So now we need to set this. So this table set heading heading, and we need to pass this header variable inside this. Okay, so we have set the config file and we have initialized that. Okay, and then we have created a table, and okay, now we need to pass all this thing to the view. Okay, so this load view. Okay, welcome message comma data. Okay, so we have loaded the view and pass this data to that particular view. Okay, let me comment this. Okay, so now we go to view page and we remove all the stuff which are already here, and we can say welcome to Pagination. Okay, Pagination. Okay, what we can do, we start PHP and will echo dollar this table generate generate dollar array codes. Okay, and we'll close this, and after that we echo this pagination create underscore link. Okay, so it will create a link for us. So let's save it and also save this controller. Okay, and let's run the code and see what happened. Okay, we are getting some errors. Okay, select count as num rows. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I got the error. Okay, we have doesn't define here database. Okay, so rule, we need to set up a database first. okay, and password is blank, and database is page. So let's save and run this again. Okay, here we are getting some, okay, offset, offset and records, okay, undefined variable records. So offset, okay, so for that we need to initially set offset is equal to 0, okay, and then this record is same as this one, okay, and save and run this again. Okay, so here we are getting a data, but there is some error in pagination create link, okay, so I guess the error, this error might be is view create links, okay, got, okay, so you can see this. So how we create this you can understand now. So it is very easy to create a links. If you didn't understood anything, you can watch it again and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.